To make a neon text effect like that, I created it using the PicsArt application. From the initial interface, create a new project. Select the Draw and Color options. Here I'm going to use a black background for the initial text image. Enter to image editing mode. Touch the right arrow at the top left. After that, select Edit Image. I want to set the size first. I will set the height and width to 1000 pixels. Next, select Text from menu. Type the word you want to input. In the font option, I used Neon Glow Light, which I previously downloaded from Deafint. Choose a color for the text. For optimal results, use bright colors. Adjust the scale and position it in the middle. Then save the image that has been created. Return to the initial PicsArt view. Create a new project using the image you want to create as the background. The next step, select Add Photo. Enter the image of the text that was created earlier. Set image position. Because I'm having trouble to scrolling down, so I changed the view to portrait mode. On menu, select Blend. Use the Add mode. Next, go to Effects. Select Smart Blur. In Max Blur, increase the value to 100. Hardness to 75. And for Fade, lower the value to 0. After that, enter the Adjust settings. On the brightness value, increase it to 75. Saturation 30. Highlight 65. And for shadows is 80. Make sure the position is correct. Then select the checklist. The next step, select text once again. Type the same word. In the font, match the type of font that was created earlier. For the text color, use white. Then align the position and scale with the text image. If it's right, select Stickers in the menu. In the search field, type the color of the light used. Because I use red, I'm looking for red light. I'll just choose this one. Enlarge the red light sticker to cover the text area. On the menu, select Blend. We can use Lighten or Add Mode. On opacity, lower the value to 50. If the placement of the red light sticker isn't quite right, adjust it and scale it up. For opacity, we can adjust according to the light needed. At this last stage, we need to try on settings that match the image. If all have finished editing, we can save it to the gallery. This is the result of text with a neon text effect using the PicsArt application manually. Thanks for watching, and see you in another video.